What's up guys, Chemical Enzyme here, and today we'll be unboxing the new Assassin's Creed for Black Flag in the PS3. I got this at Walmart, as you can see, during Black Friday, and let me tell you, people are crazy. Like, this was literally the last three Black Flags, and we all there's some sort of a million on the floor, and there's 1,000 people trying to grab it. It was just crazy. People were humping each other, and just Black Friday, man. So got that Black Friday at Walmart, and it says they're special edition exclusive mission and weapon. And if you want to get this PS4, then you need to pay $10. Alright, let's jump into it. Okay, so there's a green sticker there to let you know that it's free. I mean, it's new, it's covered with plastic, as you can see, and it's not used. Okay. This is actually my first Assassin's Creed game. I had it on the DS, and it's not that good gameplay wise, but playing on console is way better experience. So let's open this. There it is. Smells like plastic. As you can see, here's the disc. Here's if you want to get it to the next gen, that's what you gotta do. There's some codes there, but this video will be up when I post it, and the codes will be used, so it's all mine. So here's all the Ubisoft codes if you want to do all those things. Pretty much just advertisements and Watch Dogs. Yeah, next gen consoles. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Unboxing Assassin's Creed 4 Black Flag Chemical Enzyme, and I'm out.